Spoon in your mouth.
Yum yum. Oh, get it, get it, get it, get it.
She's gonna. Yes, she is. Is it good?
Okay, I'm afraid she's gonna stick
Then,
it way too
pull
far
it away
in her
from
mouth.
her then.
Okay.
Good girl. Now take the bottle. Give her some of the bottle. Good girl. Oh, is that good? Does that taste good? Yum. Okay, now pull the bottle out. And try giving her some in the spoon yourself, Mommy.
Okay.
Just put it in there, Mom.
Okay, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Want more?
I think it does not come in fast enough because she's so used to
Yeah.
sucking it from her.
And it just comes right out. Okay, I think that's good enough.
Okay, back to the
Give her
bottle.
the bottle for
Yeah.
now. Say, I know how that one works, huh? And I'm happy with that one. You're gonna hold it yourself? You can hold it. Here, you hold it. You're big enough, you know how.
Not at that angle. I don't think she can hold it at that angle.
Okay.
Say hi, Mommy.
Hi. That was a good first try.